There is no river in the riverbed outside San Luis Rio Colorado. By the time the Colorado River reaches the Mexican town named for it, U.S. cities and farms have drained most of its water. Osbel Hinojosa heads the wetlands program at the Mexican environmental group Pro Natura Noroeste.
Trash is terrible.
He says Mexico's Morelos Dam delivers the final blow.
At this point, all of the remaining water in the river is diverted for different uses in Mexico, mostly agriculture. And then, there is little water left for the delta.
The Colorado River Delta was once an 800,000-hectare wetland. But without water, it's largely become a salt-encrusted wasteland. 90% of the delta has died. But this March, at the Morelos Dam, the gates that divert the Colorado from its channel opened.
Oh, that was amazing. The river came back alive in a moment.
A first-of-its-kind agreement between the U.S. and Mexico sent a 6-week-long pulse of water down the Colorado.
What we see now is the evidence of the benefits of the pulse flow, all the new seedlings.
Francisco Zamora heads the Delta Restoration Program at the Sonoran Institute, a U.S. environmental organization. He says it's been just a few months, but the cottonwood and willow seedlings are growing fast.
That's the importance of the pulse flow. We can get new habitat very quick.
Quicker than the painstaking work they are doing to restore the delta by hand. Local residents clear the land and tend the seedlings. Currently, there are no plans to send more pulses downriver, so environmental groups have set up a fund to purchase water rights on the local market. They are working to keep at least some water flowing to the delta. Even in the middle of a scorching desert, all it takes is just a little bit of water to bring the ecosystem back. Drip irrigation helps these mesquite trees get established. More water can start a forest. The plan is to bring 930 hectares back to life by 2017. But Osbel Hinojosa says they do not have to wait that long to see results.
Migratory birds are already coming. There are a lot of insects here on these trees and a lot of new growth. So I think it's already becoming a nice working little ecosystem.
Camera traps have caught bobcats and other wildlife returning. Another pulse through the Morelos Dam is not guaranteed. It took years to negotiate this one, and severe drought is restricting supplies all along the river. But Francisco Zamora is optimistic.
It felt like those 17 years of hard work paid off, but it's a new beginning now. I'm ready for another 17 years if that is what it takes.
He says people are slowly realizing they need to share the river, not just among themselves, but with nature, too. Steve Baragona, VOA News, in the Colorado River Delta.